What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Graham with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Brent of Greeley, Colorado. I have had hail damage to my roof and filed a claim with the insurance company. The roof was inspected with my contractor present and then denied for coverage. Their inspector said all the hail damage was just really scuff marks. Silly, because no one has been on my roof but their inspector and my contractor. I had a second contractor inspect the roof again that agreed with my first contractor, and he said it was obvious hail damage. Every house surrounding mine has been inspected and signed off for hail damage. What? Scuff marks, foot traffic, mechanical damage, all this crap the insurance company says to deny your claim. The reason they deny claims is because they make money. The reason they underpay claims is they make money. Insurance companies are for-profit corporations. Their job is to appease the shareholders, not the policyholders, okay? And some other time we can talk about mutual companies and the reason they do the same thing, but ultimately it's about saving money, keeping their insurance premium rates low so they can get new clients, right? But this is the deal. When you have obvious hail damage from two different contractors telling you, hey, this is hail damage, every other roof in the neighborhood is getting replaced except for yours, you are getting screwed by the insurance company. Don't allow it. Fight back and make sure you know how. You can't just throw your hands in the air and say, this is unfair, because it is. But guess what? The insurance company doesn't care, because if they cared, they'd be buying you a new roof because it had legitimate hail damage on it. When you need help and you fight the insurance company and they're not giving you what you need based on what the policy says, you need to fight back. You need to contact us today. Bellator Claims Resolution. Commercial, industrial, residential, property insurance claims. If you have a property insurance claim, let us know today, because the sooner you act, the more options you have, because there's a lot of laws and policy deadlines that you must hit. If you go past those, your policy rights might be limited, right? I'm not an attorney. You might have to speak with an attorney, but I'm telling you this. There are dates and deadlines that must be hit based on state law and based on your policy. If you wait too long, it might be too late. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.